Hi, I'm Michael Briggs, and today we're going to be working on a deadfall trap for larger prey items. Possibly a small deer, a white-tailed deer, I think it could get. So what we're going to do, this here is going to be our deadfall, and that branch there is going to be our leverage, or our pulley joint. So we'll leave that here because it's dangerous once it's in the air. But what we need to do is start by making the actual trigger mechanism. This was one I had earlier. Okay, so we need two of those, and then we're going to tie a stick in between. Actually, that might just do. So I'll cut it here into a stake and stick it down. Okay. I'm just gonna connect this to this just to give it more strength, since it's holding up this very heavy log. So hopefully that seems to be like it can hold a lot of weight upwards. So we're protecting our trails right here. So let's do that. Deer trails aren't very wide. We're going to have some sort of a trigger stick, probably like this one, coming in, and needs to have a notch on here for that stick to go into. So I could have done it before, I guess, but I didn't think about it, so we'll do it now. Okay, so then let's cut this flat. Here, I'll cut the end of our trigger. So then that will go in there like so. And so now what's left is to create a toggle stick. And for our toggle, that's what we'll be doing. Cut off this end first. Come on. That's pretty clean. Okay. Then we need a part not centered, but off to the side. Part that we can tie the rope. Okay. You know, whatever. Just like that. So now I'm going to decide where I want that toggle stick to be. So to do that, I will lift up the deadfall. Oh. Okay. Whew. So, come on down here. Toggle stick is going to go. Let's see if it can hold the weight. Oh. Yes. It can. Toggle stick is going to go somewhere around here, where my thumb is. Toggle stick. side. Okay. Take the toggle stick, wrap it around here. Try not to get your gloves stuck in it. Okay. And then, trigger stick. Okay. So I'll show you kind of how that's set up. Here we have those two posts with the stick in between. And then if you look, there's the toggle stick, and on the end it's connected to that string. So the log is being held up by this leverage point, and that toggle is being held in place by our trigger stick. That's why this side didn't really matter. It just has to hold that in place. And it's not overly sensitive because it is targeting larger animals. We shall see what happens. Let me move my hatchet's probably fine. I went ahead and fixed it. I just put another stick in here with the string. Surprisingly easy, so I guess I could have done that in the first place. So I'll set this back up. We'll throw a bigger log in there this time, see if it does any damage, you know. Huh, our string must have stretched a little. Okay. Toggle. Trip stick. Trip stick holds the toggle. Could be more sensitive. Whatever. Doesn't really matter. Here we have our other stick. So, I mean, it's kind of rotted. We'll see if it can break it. So once again, it broke this thing. That probably wouldn't happen if it wasn't on a slope. So that's what I get for setting it up on a slope, I guess. Yeah, busted it again. If you can see, I just broke that off. This is fine this time, I guess. Whatever. Okay, let's see how this fared. So it hit right about there. Kind of cracked it. Gave it a start. I mean, it takes a lot of force to crack it. It was rotten, but not that bad. Very cool. Okay. Well, hope you enjoyed that episode. It's definitely fun to make that giant trap, so see you next time.